Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2019 End Case. I want to give a huge shout out to Ken from A&J Toys for sending me this case really quick. Make sure to order your mainline cases from him. So let's open this case up and see what's inside. The super treasure hunt for this case is a Tesla, and the regular treasure hunt is a Shark Cruiser. And the Bugatti Chiron should be in this case. So the first cars are the Tesla Model S. This is the regular. You can see it doesn't have rubber wheels. And then the McLaren Senna. They also now made this carded. This was in a 9-pack, but now it's carded. And then a Fairlady 2000. Next up is the Runway Rescue, the 71 El Camino, and the Evil Weevil. Next cars are the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, 2 of those, and a croc rod. And I'm a little confused, but apparently this just came right out of the card. Then we have a custom Ford Maverick and a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Next up are 2 hovering outs and a 64 Buick Riviera. Next cars are the Dark Knight Batmobile, and then another Evil Weevil. Another croc rod, a crescendo, and a carbide. Another Runway Rescue, and then 2 Volkswagen SP2s. A hologram, an HW Rapid Responder, and a skyboat. 2 16 Bugatti Chirons. These are really nice. And then a 72 Ford Ranchero. Then a Buns of Steel, a custom 1 Acura Integra GSR, and a Solar Reflex. Last cars of this half are going to be the Robo Race, Robo Car, Skyboat, and the Tread Shredder. Getting to the next half of the case. The starting 3 are the Mazda RX-7, now in green, the 72 Ford Ranchero, another one of those, and a flash drive. Next up is a Corvette Grand Sport. This looks really cool with all the tampos from the Hot Wheels race team, in my opinion. And then 2 turbocharged. Next up are 1 Mach Speeder and 2 Lamborghini Aventador J's. These are both regulars. Then we have the Baja Hauler, the Surf and Turf, and the Aston Martin DBS. Another 71 El Camino, and 2 67 Ford Mustang Coupes. A King Cuda, and 2 McLaren 720S's. Then 2 17 Audi RS6 Avants, and a custom 56 Ford truck. Then we have the Be All, the carbide, and the twin mill Gen E. Two Electro silhouettes and one more twin mill Gen E. Two Pagani Huayras and another Beat All. Two Audi RS5 coupes. These are really nice. And a bot wheels. And then last cars of the case are two Chrysler Pacificas and a Shark Cruiser, which is the treasure hunt. I did not get the Supra in my case, but here's what the Supra would look like. There's a really big difference on the color. You can see the Supra has a darker blue, and the regular is a lighter blue. And then also the rims are a lot different. And then on the card, what you can look for is just a darker color. And then the TH is located on the back. My favorite cars in the case are the Surf and Turf. This is just really cool with the matte green color. The Corvette Grand Sport. I already talked about this, but I think the Hot Wheels race team logo and all the design and stuff goes really good with this car. The 64 Buick Riviera. This car has lots of detailing to it and looks really nice. The Custom 56 Ford truck. Collectors are gonna be after this car for a little bit, because this looks pretty nice. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This was also in a 9-pack, like the McLaren Senna, but now they're both carded, which is cool. And then the McLaren Senna. Then the Audi RS5 Coupe. This is a new casting and it looks really nice. The 16 Bugatti Chiron. This is also a new casting and lots of people are going to be going after this. This looks really nice. The Shark Cruiser. This is a treasure hunt for the case. And then the Tesla Model S. Even though it's not the Supra, it still looks pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite cars are out of this 2019 N case.